Thinking about starting a tech career, but not sure where to begin? You've probably seen online courses promising everything, but offering nothing upfront. At Qurate, we make it simple to get started. Learn in-demand tech skills like data analytics, cybersecurity, and DevOps with support from AI Companion, real mentors, and hands-on projects. You can try your first week completely free. Cancel anytime before the week ends, no risk, no pressure. Here's how it works. Choose your tech track, like data analytics, DevOps, or cybersecurity. Sign up in under 2 minutes. Check your email for your login details. Access your personal dashboard. Attend your first live session. Your journey to learning a new language starts today. Let's embark on this exciting path together and transform your world. Don't wait to figure it all out later. Try your first week free at curatehq.com. Get inside. Learn fast. Grow faster.